Hi, welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars, and we are here checking out this beautiful black 2013 Ford Shelby GT 350 convertible. It's one of 36 Shelby GT 350s built in 2013, and it's the only one that's black with blue stripes. So you can see the shiny color on this. Very beautiful. And look at the grille. Check it out. Let's walk around the vehicle.
$110,000. Here it goes. 107.
Take a look at those rims. Let's take a look inside the vehicle. Now let's take a look at the rear of the vehicle.
Anything else? 112,000 over here. 110 is there. 112. 112. Anybody who would like to see that car sold?
Let's check out the spoiler here.
110, reserve is off. You're going to see it sold. 112,000.
Let's take another look inside the vehicle from the driver's side this time. Convertible rooftop.
69 FORD 429 Mustang Fastback, KP number 1333, 429 S-Code S-Car engine.
Let's take one more look in front of the car. Alright, thank you for watching. That's a wrap for this car. Find more videos on USClassicMuscleCars.com and follow us on YouTube as well.